Hello my beautiful friends. I'm here with another recipe of fresh salmon with some Mediterranean spices, shawarma spice, yellow mustard, then cooking oil, real lemon juice, some ginger garlic paste or just the crushed garlic, mint leaves and coriander leaves to garnish, cherry tomatoes, and then at the end we will definitely be using tahini sauce as dressing to pour on top, and favorite sumac. So let's get started. Lightly grease the dish. Some cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of shawarma spice, less salt, sodium, 1 teaspoon. Crushed garlic or 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, mustard. Add ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. After 45 minutes to 1 hour, I'm adding some cherry tomatoes. I have added some white onions, finely sliced, and then mint leaves on top of it. So dear friends, it's baked. This is how it looks. I have sumac, which is Mediterranean spice. I'm just gonna sprinkle it a little bit on top of it. If you don't like sumac, that's okay. I'm just adding a little bit of this and some coriander, chopped coriander or parsley.